option, Priya. Okay, good morning, student, and welcome. 5.1, fourth question. Three vertices are given, 3 points are given on a graph. You have to prove, not graphically, coordinate geometry, distance formula. By the distance formula, you have to prove it is a right angle triangle or not. So we will find all three distance, PQ, QR, RP. Then how to prove it is a right angle triangle is there or not? So the length of so square of the length of largest part is equal to the square of the sum of the rest of two part. If it is equal, a square plus b square is equal to c square. Stepwise we will see. Distance PQ is equal to x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2. This is your x1, this is your y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So minus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2. So minus 2 is minus 4 square plus 0 square. So it is 16 only and it is 4 unit. PQ. First we have completed. QR. That is x2 minus x3, y2 minus y3. This minus this, now this minus this.
Rami, Rami
Priya is who is speaking? Five units. Third, we can try here. Yes. Distance PR. First and last, minus 2, minus 2. 2 minus 7. So this is minus 4 square plus minus 5 square. Two, correct. This minus this 4, this minus this 0, this minus this 0, this minus this 5 5 are 25. Then again this minus this. Okay, so 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25. Minus 2 2, 2 2 and 5 2. So this minus this, correct. This minus this 0, this minus this 0, this minus this 7. It should become 9. Check. You have to verify. Something went wrong. This minus this minus this minus this 0. Then this minus this 0. This minus this versus this. PQ, QR, RP. What is C? 5.1 fourth question. No? It should be 3. So something is wrong. First, second is correct, but third. Okay, no problem. Distance PR. Okay, now distance PQ, distance PQ, QR, distance RP. Uh, we will write 16. We will write 25. We will write 41. So the highest distance RP square is equal to 41 square is equal to 41. Rest of the square distance PQ square plus distance QR square is equal to 16 under root square 25 under root square is equal to 16 25 is equal to 41. So these and these are equal. So distance largest distance is RP PQ plus QR. Therefore, triangle PQR is right angle triangle. So, which is 90? Here is the largest. So, Q angle is 90 degree. You have to find out three sides: A square, B square, C square. If C square is equal to A square plus B square, so if you can write this also, you can write this also. Square root, correct? But we want CPQ is this, QR is this, RP is this. Okay, so take this much only. So we have to just remove the root. Then it's okay. Square of this plus square of this is equal to square of this. Simple. If any doubt, you can raise your hand and you can ask. Fifth question, it is my one of the favorite. A, B, C, D. A, 2 minus 2, 7 and 2, 7 and 3. 11 minus 1, 6 minus 6. Now, dear student, listen very carefully. In right angle triangle, we have three sides, so you can find three distance. In a quadrilateral, four side, four distance. Measure this, find one distance, find two distance, find three distance, find four distance. For example, suppose it is 10 and 10, suppose it is 7 and 7. If opposite sides are congruent, it is a parallelogram. For this, how many steps will be there? For one distance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For one distance, 5 steps. 5 steps, 5 steps, 5 steps, 5 steps. 20 steps. Then 21. these two are equal. 22, these two are equal. 23, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are congruent. 24th, therefore this is parallel. One point they have deducted to find out the slope. Find the slope, find the slope. Both slope are equal. It's a parallel. Find this slope, both the slope are equal. Again it is parallel. If opposite are parallel, it is a parallelogram. In both the methods which are given in the digest, 24, 25 steps. Now you see my method. In quadrilateral A, B, C, D, M1, for example, M1 is midpoint of AC. AC. Therefore, M xy is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is 1 1, this is 2 2, this is 3 3, this is 4 4. So I take 1 and 3, 1 and 3. X plus x divided by 2, midpoint. Y plus y divided by 2, it is a midpoint. So that is 2 plus 6 divided by 2. Minus 2 minus 6 divided by 2, 8 by 2 minus 8 by 2, so it is 4 minus 4, capital M1, midpoint. Same, M2 is midpoint of BD. Therefore, M2 xy is equal to x2 plus x4 divided by 2, y2 plus y4 divided by 2, 7 plus 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. By mistake it is position I have written wrong. So it is 2 and 11. So it is 13. 13 half. And this is 2 minus 6. Minus 8. This is correct. Now 7 plus 6. 3 and minus 3. One is correct. Second is correct. Third is 1. So it is 13 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So same. 6.5 minus 1.5. M1 and M2 are common because the position is same. Therefore, M1 and M2 means bisector of this midpoint are same. Therefore, AC and BD are bisector of each other. When two diagonals are bisector of each other, it is 101% parallelogram. This is parallelogram symbol. So now count 5 plus 5, 10, 13, 14 steps only. In that, more than 22 steps, I have reduced to 50%. Sorry, because of this copy of this coordinate, it was missing. Now A to C, find midpoint. Midpoint. From this to this, find midpoint. And both the midpoint are the same. Single point, M1, M2. M1, M2 are equal. In any quadrilateral, if diagonals are bisector of each other, this diagonal cut this two into two parts, this diagonal cut this diagonal into two equal parts. When both the diagonals are bisector of each other, it is a parallelogram. So we are using the property of parallelogram. Okay, opposite side are also equal, then it is a parallelogram. But for that we have to find out. Here we have got 3 time distance formula. In this you have to write 4 time distance formula. 4 time you have to find the distance, and then you can compare. So do this. Next, now in this we have to prove it is a rhombus. So I'll comment this. C is 8, 5. B is A, B, C, and D are the vertices of rhombus. Rhombus means all the sides are equal. So distance AB is this. So this is -4 minus minus plus 1. This is -7 minus 2. Correct. So this is plus 3 only. This is -9. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. It is root 19. AB. And now DC. -1, 8. -1 minus 8. Then 2 minus 5. This is -9 square. This is -3 square. Again 9 9 is 81 plus 9. It is 90 unit. Distance AB, distance BC, distance CD, C and D, 8 minus 5, 5 minus minus 4. So this is 3 only. 3 3 is a 9. 8 8 is 81. 90, 81. 9 9 is 81. This is under root 90. CD. Now fourth distance AB, BC, CD, DA. We got AB, CD. AB is under root 90. BC is under root 90. This is under root 90. This also will get under root 90. Now distance AD. AB, BC, CD, DA is equal to x1 minus x4, y1 minus y4. First, minus 4 minus 5 square, minus 7 minus 4, so minus 9 square, plus, this is 7, 7 minus 4, 3 square, 81, 9. So, each quadrilateral A, B, C, D, distance AB, distance BC, distance AB, BC, CD, DA. AB, BC, CD, DA, all four sides are equal. Hence, it is a rhombus. Find x if 2 points are given and distance given. This is interesting and important. L, x7, M, 115 and distance LM is equal to 10. As per our formula, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is distance given. So distance LM x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2. This is already given distance. So x minus 1 square, 7 minus 15 square. So 10 is equal to under root x square minus 2x plus 1 plus minus 8 square x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 64. Correct? So x square minus 2x plus 65. Taking square on both the side. Now 100 comes this side. Now from 65 minus 100 is equal to minus 35. From 35 to get 2 minus 2. So x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 is equal to 0. Common, common. Common of common. So x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5, or x is equal to 7. Now distance is given, 2 point given, but one is unknown. So that by it's formula substitution, then this very easily you can subtract, but this you cannot subtract. So open the bracket, simplify with this bracket, then take square on both the side. So square root omitted, 100 comes this side, so 35. This 35 to 2, it is a quadratic equation. Correct? Now, show that the point this are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. First sum we have today we have seen that is a right angle triangle. So find three side. Highest side square is equal to sum of the square of rest of two. Then we got parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal or the midpoints are common. It is a parallelogram. Then we have seen square. When it is a square, when all four sides are equal, then it is a square. Now it is equilateral triangle. Three points are given. Find out three side. So it is, if you are getting equal, then it is equilateral triangle, right? See this again how I can utilize full bracket. A12, sorry. A1 and 2. B is 1 and
Yes.
6. Who is that? Yes.
Yes.
Who is that? Priya. Whose mic is on?
Sir, Harsh.
Harsh? Are you okay?
Yes.
No. So 1 minus 1. 2 minus 6.
Sir, last 10 minutes.
So AB, I got 4 by distance formula. Now BC, that is, it will be more. Because 1 minus, this full minus, so 1 minus 1 minus 2 root 3. 6 minus 4. So it is 1 cancel, so minus 2 root 3 square plus 2 square. 2 to the 4, 3 is a 12 plus 2 plus 4, sorry. 2 to the 4, root 3, 3, 4 is a 12, 2 to the 4, 12 plus 14 is equal to root 16 is equal to 4. Second answer also 4. Third answer also we will get 4. Now this minus this. So again 1 minus 2 root 3 square. 2 minus 4. So that is again minus 2 root 3 square plus 2 square. 12 plus 4, 16 Therefore, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 4 unit. Therefore, triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. By distance formula only we have proved. Suppose you have to prove parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Suppose you have to prove rhombus, so all four sides are parallel. Here we have proved in triangle ABC, AB, BC, CA. All three sides are 4, 4, 4. So it is equilateral triangle. So in this exercise, we have learned midpoint formula, distance formula, and now in point 2 there will be a section formula. So that 3 point I am writing, and if the time permit I will start the problem, but 3 point you have to note down. And don't rejoin, continue till it is on. Distance formula. A is given x1, y1. B is given x2, y2. So distance AB is equal to x1 minus x2. In the textbook it is given 2 minus 1. So here also 2 minus 1. But we will take rhythmic. Midpoint formula. For A is equal to x1, y1. So midpoint now third one is section formula. In section formula you need A x1 y1, B x2 y2, and a segment intersection. For example, A is given, B is given. Somewhere point is here. That is point. That is x and y. This we have to find. This we have to find among m is to n. At that time, P xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Same for y. my2 ny1 m plus n. Which point today we have seen for rhombus? All four sides are equal by distance formula. For equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal by distance formula. Parallelogram. By two midpoint, or you can say by midpoint formula. Find M1 of diagonal 1. If find M2 of diagonal 2. Parallelogram, equidistance, हाँ. To prove right angle triangle. So AB square BC square is equal to AC square. Rhombus, equilateral triangle, parallelogram. Okay. Now tell me how much minute remain. Priya. Priya.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Okay. Now students listen. More 2 days there will be a geometry lecture, and during the vacation time on demand, uh, I will try to cover science topic. If in a small group you want to join me for science 1 or 2 on a previous day, give me the time, give me the topic, I will be ready with that. And in a Zoom, whatever whose difficulties are there, no, so that with that small group also will. Today how much student, let me check. 13 students, see, 13 students today only, all are sleeping. So I think 11 is better or 10 is better. Priya, hello.
Sir, 11.
Priya, so okay, just within 5 minutes send me uh, today's or tomorrow's this link, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very less students are coming. What, I don't know what it is going on.
Highest
So
was 21.